Mom will be field cultivating here in a minute.
How we all doing, guys? It's Nolan from Strong Farms. I know I haven't posted in I want to say it's been a month and a half or two. It was in my last semester of college, so I was working on all that, but we'll just get right into the video today. Got the V10 loaded. Corn in the back. Papa Strong Farms sitting right here driving us. Mom's field cultivating. Which field was it? Is it up here in the 180?
180.
So the field over here. But, so yeah, Mom's going to be field cultivating today. Dad's going to start planting. And I'm going to be, running around, getting them parts, getting them corn, whatever they need. And yeah, so hopefully it's eventful. I'll keep you guys here and hope you guys enjoy. I'm just going to start off by saying, guys, I haven't filmed, like I said earlier, in a month or two, so probably won't be as natural as it was back then, so just bear with me while I'm getting back into the hang of things, and hopefully I bring you guys some good content this spring. Just got the 275 in the planter out, so Dad's getting that backed up. Got some DeKalb and Pioneer. These are some test bags we're running to see if we like it, but DeKalb's all in there, so. Wanted to load my truck up, but Dad's worried that with all the weight it might friggin' buckle because my truck's a little rusty, so. Might load a couple bags later today, see how it works, but not positive yet. folding up the planter for us. this load, put 2 bags in each, so he's going over to a 40 acre here, and so he'll be finishing that tonight. We're losing light, as you can see. It's going down right now, or getting close. I mean, we're probably hour and a half left to light, so he's gonna go start and finish that 40, I believe, and then bright and early tomorrow morning we'll be getting up and keeping him going. So yeah, nothing too wild happened today. I did have my suction cup mount on, and it fell off the back window of the tractor. Luckily, we weren't moving yet, so hopefully I remember to include that on the cinematic-ish, the video I played with all the music. So, yeah, if anything cool happens tomorrow, I'll make sure to bring you guys along and keep you updated. So, how's it going, everyone? It is day 2 of planting. Just filled Dad up. He's working on an 180-acre field. Didn't have my camera with me, though, so I didn't get any footage. The dog, I'm getting him some water quick. A little bit of cold, dang it. Probably locked this, didn't I? Yep. So, I'm going to feed the cow quick. Can't tell if you can see down there, a white truck, the V10's got a pallet on it, so didn't have to get any footage of that. I didn't have my GoPro with me when I loaded it, but I was a little rusty on the forklift, so I'm glad I didn't tape it. So here's Pops right here. I'm on my way to feed the cow I saw. Well, back in the V10, have a pallet of seed loaded. Dad had called me and asked, because in between loads, there's times where I'm not doing too much, and he asked if I would go and sweep the shop where we store the planter and the tractor in there, because when he services it at the morning and night, sometimes he's on a creeper, and when it's really dirty and there's rocks and stuff, you get stuck on him. So I'm gonna go get that swept up for him, and then he said probably within 30 he's gonna need another load. So we'll be putting those bags on and go from there. Sorry if the audio isn't too good. I took it out of the case and took my mic off, but it's not too dirty in here. But like I was saying, when you're on a creeper, little rocks and stuff can get you stuck, and it's just frustrating. So I'm gonna sweep this up for him quick, and I'll do a little time lapse. Definitely not the biggest cleanup I've ever done, but there was a little pebbles in there which do get stuck on those wheels on the chairs and the creepers. So Dad will probably be calling me here in like 10 minutes or so, and then I'll have to run him some more seeds. So stay tuned. Dad called me, said he was going to need seed soon, and then he asked me to get him a Pepsi. Didn't know which size he wanted, so I brought both because he's been working hard for us. So. Now he's throwing a little bit of talc powder in. Medium-sized Pepsi it is. How's it going out there? Or Papa Strong Farms?
You could call Mom and see if she needs anything, and you could fuel the lawnmowers.
Not sure how well you guys will be able to see it, but I've been mowing Mom's out doing tillage in this field now, and then Dad called me saying that he could take the next round of bags, so we're gonna finish this pallet off, and then I'll have to load some, so hopefully I'll get some footage of that if I don't screw it up, but yeah, I'll bring you guys back when we get to Pops. Hopefully y'all can hear me. We just pulled up. We got 16 more bags to put in. Oh, yikes. There we go. What number are we moving to next?
6391.
6391. Well, you heard it here. 6391 is the next number. I'm going to put you guys away while we're loading because it gets in the way, so I'll bring you guys back when I'm loading with the forklift. Well, just got him filled up for probably the last time on this field, and he's back going. I'm gonna go load up the next pallet though, just in case he needs more by the end of the night, and I'm getting back to mowing, so. Well, unfortunate turn of events here. We lost a little rubber gasket, or what would you call that thing? O-ring. So we're checking the parts room to see if we got anything. Here's what we're working for here. It's a cap for the planter, and then this would normally be together, and it goes around to seal because there's suction on that part, but decided to break for us, so hopefully we got another one. Oh shit. Those have been on for a minute.
What? Broken O-ring on a cap for the vacuum line. Just took it off to clean the dust, and the O-ring was broke, so that didn't work right.
Now what, we found one, but it's a little bit bigger than normal?
Yep.
Okay, so let's hope it works. Everybody cross your fingers. I'll bring you back when we get to the field. So the one we're trying does have a bigger diameter than the other, so it might not fit, so we're just going to test it. We don't have the actual O-ring on hand, so if this works, we'll use it for the night and call John Deere tomorrow and get a replacement part in. If not, or if it does work, we might just run it. Is it seal? See, it's catching. It might be a little too wide. Damn! Use your knife. Cut it down. We're gonna brainstorm, so give us a bit. I know this is real janky, everyone, but we couldn't find an O-ring the same size, so just for tonight, we're running duct tape, and there's a little seam here that where the air pulls it in, and I put my ear next to it, so we're not leaking any air, which is good.
Nolan learned that from the Red Green Show.
Oh yeah, Red Green Show would approve, so. Eventful night. I think this is where we're gonna end it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like the video. Say your favorite part if you're still here watching. I appreciate all you guys that watch this long. And stay tuned for the next one. Subscribe.